Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling the key documents and setting a clear scope. Pull the contract language, rate table, and the invoice sample set. Make sure the date range and affected reps are exact. Next, build a spreadsheet with gross sales, allowable adjustments, commission rate, computed payout, and expected payout columns so you can run formulas. Doing this now avoids backtracking. Once done, you'll validate inputs quickly and move on to the calculations. You now execute the core calculations and detect anomalies. Use the formula, gross minus adjustments, times rate and lock rate cells so formulas stay consistent, copy down across the set. Then filter for exceptions such as negative amounts, manual overrides, or missing approvals and document each outlier. After that, reconcile your computed payout totals against recorded payments to measure variance. If discrepancies appear, add notes and group similar issues so you can address them efficiently in the next step. You finish by packaging findings and executing corrections. Create a concise summary showing total commissions, variance percentage, and the top discrepancies with recommended fixes. Include an annotated spreadsheet and sample invoices for proof. Then present the remediation plan to stakeholders and get approvals for any payout adjustments or contractual clarifications. If the test fails due to missing data or inconsistent rates, stop and recreate the input set. That single source data fix usually resolves most failures and prevents repeated errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.